7/8, 2020 daily chart. S&P 500 rips up. This was the all-time bottom. This was the all-time highs. This was the correction. We have taken off, and we have, because we have a gap up with this daily. Now, what we're going to be watching, everybody, 34.96 would be way up there. But what we are going to be watching in the near term is how the S&P will react at 34. I can give you the exact number. So, yeah, we're going to be looking to see back here. And, yeah, so we would say 34.61, we'll be looking at that number. And we'll see what happens there. And we'll see if we can get past that 34.61 tomorrow. And that's exactly how we'll be looking at that. Once again, we are going to approach this diamond right here. And we are at this one right here. And these are algos, by the way. So this bull market rally technically has taken off. Now, I will just caution everyone, before you could get to this stage, that didn't happen until we could get above 34.20. So let's be clear. So for this bull to keep running and those algos to keep pumping, then there is more upside, as we have said all along. But you have to clear these hurdles and these gaps, and then you have to start by clearing the resistance level. And we did exactly that right here. My pointer is, and that was this candle. And now that was this one. This one is support. So that's what it looks like in our system. And we'll take a look and see what happens at 34.61. Then the upper end is going to be 34.8. And then we'll go right on up, and we'll see exactly what happens and how the rotation will go. Remember, a lot of times in October, you rally going up into the earnings season, and then everybody's led to believe that everything is really okay, but then really it's not. And every 10 minutes, you hear nothing but stimulus. I don't care what channel you turn on or where you're at. Stimulus, 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 stimulus. And that's what's been driving these, the headlines have been driving these algos. And technically we are back in our bull market now that we cleared it. So let's skyrocket would be right up here. That would be awesome. But with the election, we have a lot of uncertainty still. I mean, listen, lots of people can build the best cases, Uh, this is supposed to be a good time of the year for stocks, and they are. But the problem is the election. And our research has shown that markets can, in the short term, can get right up there where they hit that upper end of that resistance channel, and then it stops. So we need to be very aware of that part of it. And as long as we are, then we know how to go through it, as we will together. As always, it's been a pleasure. S&P 500 bull market run.